So last week we released the jMunch MCP server, which is an MCP server that turns other MCP servers into just token sipping machines. It makes all your existing MCP servers very, very frugal when it comes to their token consumption. And I thought that was going to blow your socks off, but I can't help notice as I look around the room, a lot of you still got socks. So we're going to step up our game. And today, I'm happy to announce that the jMunch MCP server not only turns your MCP applications into token sipping applications, it can turn damn near any AI application will now be up to 95, maybe even 98% more effective. We're going to prove it today.
Hey everybody, it's time for AI Tips with Jay!
All right, kids, Uncle Jay's bringing the receipts. I'm going to put my money where my mouth is today with the new updates to the jMunch MCP. Like I said before, a lot of you might have seen the video last week where we introduced this jMunch MCP server. What it is, it's a proxy server. Another word for proxy server, it's a wrapper.
I said, yo, I'm from the 920 and I'm rolling up dirty in my Winnebago. Green and gold shag carpet all over the floor. In my low ride, funky fly, Winnebago.
No, not that kind of wrapper. All it means is that it's able to consume other MCP servers and make them, looky here, look at this benchmark, 98.9% more efficient in Firecrawl MCP. And we got other examples too, but we didn't want to stop there at just making other MCP servers more efficient. So what I did, if I can find it here, there we go, Gateway Mode version 2, and it's able to turn any of your programs that use the standard OpenAI or Anthropic HTTP API into a token frugal machine. And we're going to show you how we did that here. By the way, no code changes, as it says here. They make any code changes to the target app. So these scripts left and right here, one of them is going to run Nanobot. The first one's going to run it without jMunch, and then one on the right is going to run it with jMunch on, and you're going to be able to compare the results side by side. This is the request that we're sending to it, and we're just saying go out to this SQLite page in Wikipedia, which is really a big hunk of crap. It's not well indexed or anything, so it's a good test subject for this. And here we go. We're off to the races. The one that does not use our new web proxy there, our jMunch proxy, is gonna go a little bit faster. But I think when you see there we go. Look what you're saving there. Without the proxy server, 76,000 tokens. With the proxy server, only 41,000 tokens. Just saved 30,000 tokens on a single request. Now, that's pretty modest compared to a lot of the stuff that you're going to be able to run. But we'll let you do your own A/B comparisons. We've got some A/B comparisons in the docs from the MCP service before. I was really anxious to get this out the door for you. So yeah, go ahead and start experimenting. Pull down the jMunch MCP server and run your own A/B tests. Load up whatever AI program you got going. Watch as we turn your AI programs or anybody else's AI programs you want to pull down into more efficient token sipping machines.
AI Tips with Jay! Hooray! AI Tips with Jay! AI Tips with Jay!